Hi, my name is Angie Bennett, and I am here with Nash Community College. We have a new segment. It's going to be dealing with positivity, kindness, random acts of kindness, tips and tricks on how we can have a successful year here at Nash Community College. Blue Love is more than just a slogan. It's a feel, it's a vibe, and we want to share some of that with you, our viewers, and we hope you'll enjoy the segment. So in this segment, we went to the Welcome Back Bash hosted by the SGA. We spoke to some students and asked their opinion on what are some tips and tricks that they use or that have been suggested to them for them to have a successful year and a successful semester here at Nash Community College. Here's what some of them had to say.
My advice for someone who wants to get off to a good start at Nash Community College would probably be to be able to know where all the tutoring resources are. We have the English Studio, that's in Building D, the Math Tank in the Science Technology Building. We also have Science Technology Success Centers with Dr. Beamer and Ms. Kearney.
Take good notes. I can't stress that enough. You take good notes, you can go back over them. I mean, it helps with homework, in-class assignments, testing, so take notes.
My sister here actually did help me enroll into school and help me actually get settled in here. So and actually get familiar with a lot of the other services here, such as student enrollment, who was also very helpful. So, yeah.
Oh, sister, how about you come on in here?
Besides, the random acts of kindness, helping lend a pencil or regular things like opening a door, not so far, but I mean, the school year's just started, so you never know what'll come along.
Hey, and never underestimate opening a door for somebody. We appreciate those helpful tips from fellow students. We have a few that we would like to share with you as well. The first one is read that syllabus. It is your user guide to the classroom. It will give you a calendar of what's expected, and you'll be a step ahead if you read it first. Next, if you take hand notes, take pictures of them after class. Put them on your cell phone, and when you have a few minutes of downtime, whether you're at the grill or maybe in the library, you can glance down at your phone and check them out and get a little quick study session in. Don't forget to ask for help. Chances are there's a fellow student who has the exact same question, but they might be too shy to ask. And lastly, my favorite tip, and is one that I highly recommend, is Google, Google, Google. Google Drive, Google Mail, Google Docs, and most importantly, Google Calendar. Google is your best friend for staying organized and up to date, not only in your personal life, but more importantly, for those class assignments that are due, exams, and so on. So thank you for joining us for this first episode of Kindness Matters with Angie. I hope you have a wonderful day. Keep the positivity going. And remember, random acts of kindness will make others feel good, but it'll make you feel good too.